Do you know what the differences are between GitHub Copilot and Microsoft Copilot? They're both incredibly useful AI tools, but they serve quite different purposes and have unique functionalities. Let's dive into what sets them apart. Both GitHub Copilot and Microsoft Copilot are AI-powered tools designed to enhance productivity, but they serve different purposes and are tailored for distinct user needs. GitHub Copilot is a code assistant for developers, while Microsoft Copilot is an all-around productivity assistant for various Microsoft 365 applications. Purpose: GitHub Copilot is specifically designed for developers to assist in writing and improving code. In contrast, Microsoft Copilot aims to boost productivity across various business and office tasks within the Microsoft ecosystem. Functionality: GitHub Copilot provides smart code suggestions, code completions, and can even generate entire functions based on the context within your code editor. Microsoft Copilot, on the other hand, assists with drafting documents, analyzing data, creating presentations, managing emails, and more, enhancing the overall workflow in Microsoft 365 applications. Integration: GitHub Copilot integrates seamlessly with popular code editors like Visual Studio Code, making it an invaluable tool for developers. Meanwhile, Microsoft Copilot is integrated across Microsoft 365 applications such as Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and PowerPoint to support a wide range of productivity tasks. Use case: GitHub Copilot is ideal for developers working on various programming languages and projects, helping them streamline their coding process and improve efficiency. Microsoft Copilot is suited for business professionals, office workers, and anyone using Microsoft 365 tools, helping them manage their daily tasks and improve collaboration. Pricing: GitHub Copilot costs $10 per month or $100 per year, with free access for verified students, teachers, and maintainers of popular open-source projects. Microsoft Copilot costs $20 per user per month for Copilot Pro and $30 per user per month for Microsoft 365 Copilot, with a free version available offering limited features. GitHub Copilot and Microsoft Copilot are both powerful AI-driven tools, each catering to different needs and user bases. GitHub Copilot excels in supporting developers by providing intelligent coding assistance directly within code editors, while Microsoft Copilot enhances productivity across various Microsoft 365 applications for business and office tasks. Their distinct purposes, functionalities, and integrations make them uniquely suited to their respective audiences, with GitHub Copilot tailored for coding efficiency and Microsoft Copilot designed to streamline a wide range of productivity tasks. When choosing between them, consider your primary use case, whether you need support with software development or broader productivity within the Microsoft ecosystem.